Welcome into the cockpit of a Boeing 737. And since we're already mid-takeoff,
V1, rotate.
I think I'm obliged to say,
V2.
please make sure your seats and tray tables are in the upright and locked position. Now, it's not like I had the privilege to actually be in a cockpit. This is instead USU Aviation's new 737 simulator. And just to be clear, everything in here, the switches and dials and everything, is straight from a 737 cockpit.
They took a 737, retired it, cut off the front end of the cockpit, took it down to New Zealand, refurbished it, and built a one-of-a-kind piece of work for us.
Cleared on the ILS runway 28 right.
And because it's the real deal, it feels pretty real too.
It's kind of embarrassing to admit this, but there's been times where I get out of the sim and leave the jet training room and go outside and I'll forget that I'm in Logan, Utah.
Not just any aviation student can just jump right into the simulator. They first have to start out on other sims, learning the systems and operations. Okay, so it's at this point in the video that I've got to explain something to you. See, for USU Aviation, they call the big fancy simulator BERT, and they call the smaller one Ernie. It's important to know.
So if we're in Ernie doing procedures, it's a lot of working around close to the airport, practicing landings, things like that. If we're in BERT like we are right now, it's going to be more doing city to city, so like say Chicago to Detroit.
So what that means is basically students will start on Ernie and they'll work and get certified to get into BERT and start learning there, which can be a little overwhelming, at least initially.
The first 3 flights that you do in the simulator, even up to 10, can be the most daunting experience that you have here in the program. But as you go through, it really starts to make sense and you build that experience, which is then translated into the real world.
40, 30.
Ultimately, that's why this matters, because it can help USU students prepare and get ready to move into the airline industry faster.
The airlines hold all of their pilots to very high standards, and so we here at Utah State try to hold ourselves to those same standards. So that way when we do get to the airlines one day, it's just another day in the park.